Hello, fellas. It's Wednesday today, and it's been probably anywhere from about 25 to 35 degrees during the day, so it hadn't been real cold. Sometimes it's melting and sloppy and a little slick in the fields, and then sometimes it's cold enough it doesn't know what it wants to do. Um, so I should probably be out in the field somewhere trying to get some more firewood cut and brought in, because I've been starting to burn into my pile pretty good. But then about half the time it's slick out, so I'm using that for my excuse that I haven't done it. Um, and I'm but I do have some logs over here that I'm going to get them cut up and maybe processed up. I don't know if I like saying processed because that sounds like too fancy a word, or I just want to cut them into chunks and split them so I can throw them in my wood boiler. And then I got on a Stihl hat today. I'm just warning you. I've been by the Stihl dealer this morning, so we'll see what happens there. This is my we got the old Chevy over there by the wood boiler and a few chunks of stuff here, but you can see I'm starting to cut into the pile pretty good, and I've got some more logs over in front of here pretty good. I figured I'd get cut up and cleaned up. Some weight to it. Some of them you just probably gotta, grab like this, and it's not pretty, but just grab it however you can grab it. I can set it over there, I guess. A couple more good pieces right here. I got only has, I believe, about a 33 horse motor, so it's got plenty of power for what it is, but it's not a big powerhouse or anything. But I can still smell a little bit of diesel fuel, or the diesel smoke smell in the cool, crisp winter air. Not a lot, but just a little bit. It smells good. This is I don't know if you can see it very good, but I just picked this up this morning. It's Stihl 461, and there is one heck of a difference between this thing, I can already tell, and the MS290 that I got that's about 15 years old. The MS290 is wonderful. I mean, it's a good saw, but this thing is a beast, I can already tell. Well, fellas, thanks for watching. If you're a regular subscriber, I appreciate you. I like your comments, and if you're a new guy, if you like the video or like this kind of stuff, hit the like and subscribe. I just make videos about firewood. I don't know what I'm doing most of the time, but I like firewood and making videos about it. Thanks for watching, guys.